what I would do finally at this point is to apply Slick Seal. We've got it washed, it's dried. I showed you how to clean it and keep it clean. And now I would reapply Slick Seal. Remember, every 4 to 6 months, you should use this to keep it looking nice. If you could do this process on the painted aluminum trailer, you can do it on your boat and RV, no matter what it's made out of, including a gel coat. For new boats and RVs, avoid using Polywash Pro. I don't want your new shine to be dulled. So just use Polywash. If there's some stains, try our super spray, and as a last resort, you want to use Polywash Pro. And then certainly cover it with Slick Seal. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I'm using our 320 GSM multi-purpose towel. This is excellent. Look, watch how easy this is. Now it's sealed and protected. This side has Poli Glow on it. This side has Slick Seal over top of the Poli Glow. I can feel how much smoother this is than this. Let's do a test with water and see if this beads up more than this side, which I suspect it will. So that looks like it's adhering more, but you can really see it sheeting right off here. Beading up and sheeting right off, as opposed to here where it's not. Now, while Poli Glow is an excellent sealer, it doesn't have this baby smooth feel to it, which is very well known, but it is an excellent sealer with significant longevity. You can put Slick Seal right over top of the Poli Glow and you'll get that baby soft feel. Water will bead off. And trust me, this is so much easier to clean. The dirt and grime will fall right off. So Poli Glow Fireman, I just want to show you one more thing, how Polywash Pro takes off the Slick Seal, ceramics and waxes and that sort of thing. We had our mixture, it's got Polywash Pro in it. It doesn't damage Poli Glow. I just applied Slick Seal to the left side here. As you can see, the water will adhere more. The water here doesn't bead up quite as much, but here, it just beads right up and sheets right off. I mean, Slick Seal is an excellent product. Now, I'm gonna wash this with some Polywash, and then we're gonna spray it again. Polywash Pro, we're gonna spray it again and see what happens. And sometimes you have to do this process twice. Sometimes you gotta wash it and then wash it one more time to get the Slick Seal off, if you need to, or waxes. And I can already see the difference just with one wash. It is no longer beating up. It's doing the same thing as this side. Look at this. So Carmine's here, my business partner. He's too beautiful for the camera. But look at this, Carmine. No beating.
Yep.
No beating. You see how it stopped beating because I washed it with Polywash Pro.
Yep. So
it strips off ceramics. And
can you talk about the importance of having that Poli Glow on there as the base?
Yes.
And what it does to protect.
Right.
Then why you would add a Slick Seal over the Poli.
Yeah. So in an older boat or RV that is oxidized, you put Poli Glow on it. That's going to be your sealer. Poli Glow, as you know, can last a year before you have to put a maintenance application on it. We're going to talk about that too. However, throughout the year, you want to keep it clean. And one of the things you can do throughout the year to keep Poli Glow healthy, prevent it from oxidizing, prevent stains from setting in, and making it super easy to wash off bugs, dirt, grime. You know, we get a lot of customers that call us and say, oh, the bugs in Florida are horrible, and they stick to the front cap of my RV, and I can't get them off. Yeah. They got to buy all kinds of...
Or the fish blood and guts.
The fish blood and guts, yeah. So you apply Slick Seal, which is a spray-on ceramic over top of the Poli Glow, and it protects your Poli Glow for 4 to 6 months. It's got UV inhibitors in it, and it's just another layer of protection over top of the Poli Glow. It, again, prevents and prolongs the life of your Poli Glow. And then once a year, you still got to put the maintenance applications, but again, it's less work throughout the year. We want to minimize the amount of work you have to do to take care of your prized possession. Isn't that right?
That's right. That's right.
We want to make your life easier here at Poli Glow because we get it, right? We don't want to spend our entire lives cleaning and washing our boat or RV. We want to spend it with our families making memories.
If you have a new boat or RV with a good, clean coating on it,
Yeah,
right? Like
gel coat
on
looks
it,
beautiful.
just put this on direct.
All right, if it's a clear coat or a gel coat that is brand new and it looks great and has a high gloss shine, you don't need to put Poli Glow on it. You put Slick Seal on there. You'll protect it and prolong the life of that gel coat and that clear coat.
Yep.
That's how it works.
Dang.
So Poli Glow family, I've now showed you how to keep your boat or RV or painted aluminum trailer looking great all year round with our products to maintain that gloss that's boss.